All right, toiletry bags. It's not something you think about all the time, but it's something that you need every time you travel.
We noticed toiletry bags on the market were like this one, a black hole, making it hard to find stuff, unsanitary, and a shampoo explosion ticking time bomb.
Or you could just travel with a Ziploc bag.
I mean, you can use whatever you've been using forever and it'll get you from A to B. My uncle used to use grocery bags instead of a suitcase. And I mean, it got the job done, I guess.
Toiletry bags are not new to us. We've literally sold tens of thousands of them, multiple Kickstarter projects, sold them all around the world. We've spent countless hours designing, researching, and testing the best way to travel with toiletries.
And we thought there had to be a better way to pack a ton of stuff while staying sanitary, organized, and compact.
Introducing the Explorer Max, a super versatile bag that packs it all while taking up a small footprint in your travel bag. Let's do a quick run through. What does it pack? It has 5 adaptable pockets to virtually pack any toiletry item. There's a dedicated toothbrush pocket to keep your toothbrush sanitary and separate from everything else. Electric toothbrushes fit great. 3 zippered pockets to organize your stuff like razors, deodorant, floss, makeup brushes, chapsticks, Q-tips, all that kind of stuff. It can be frustrating to have to buy travel size everything. It's nice to have a big pocket just to throw in bigger items like a hairbrush, contact solution, a larger electric shaver, or even a curling iron. So we did just that. We added a deeper, wider pocket. As much as we love being organized, sometimes it's nice just to have the option to have a big catch-all and keep stuff right at your fingertips. The Explorer Max comes with our new updated TSA compliant bag, so you can pack stuff like liquids and makeup for fast TSA scans and protect against shampoo and makeup explosions. Its new construction makes it more durable and water resistant, and the updated silicone hang strap allows you to easily hang it up anywhere in the bathroom. And if you want a little more organization, you can buy a second TSA bag, or even a third, because the TSA bags fit side by side in this big catch-all pocket, making it easy to set up everything when you arrive to your destination. No 2 trips are the same, and maybe you want to pack a little bit lighter. The Explorer toiletry bag comes in 3 sizes, the Max, the Plus, and the Slim, and we've updated all 3 of them. The Plus has 7 pockets to pack it all while staying compact. On the side of a Plus is a deep, smaller pocket that also comes with our new TSA bag. The Explorer Slim is perfect for traveling light and minimally. Tons of pockets for organization and a leak-proof pocket to fit stuff like our travel bottles. Keep all of your stuff organized and separate. We're using our tried and true Quarry Poly material, which was developed for our travel backpack system. So it's super durable, water resistant, and lightweight. And the touch and feel is just something so different and great. You'll love it the moment that you have your hands on this bag. Premium materials that are travel tested, and we offer a lifetime warranty that we stand behind. No matter what stuff you bring, it'll have a proper place and you can go anywhere fuss-free.
Hey friends, thanks for making it to the end of the video. This is actually our 6th Kickstarter campaign. We've fulfilled all of them on time, leaving tens of thousands of happy backers all around the world.
We have a golden sample and our manufacturer is standing by.
All right, all we need is for you to back this campaign to bring this project to life. We think the world of you guys as community has been incredible.
We put together some pledges below. Pick one that fits you best.
So, new feature alert, there's actually an add-on menu within Kickstarter now, which is great because then you can add an extra TSA bag, an extra toiletry bag, a bunch of different options down there for you.
We'd be so pumped if you back our campaign. We hope to send you a package soon.
Killed it!
All right.